everyone. So today I want to share that my book on minimalism is over. So also I realized Steve Jobs was also minimalist. So yeah. So in my case, like, I'm minimalist in few cases, and few cases I'm not, right? Like, I realize in terms of shoes, I just have one golden heels which I wear in parties or in my dance videos. And in terms of shoes, I only have three shoes, like white, blue and black, which also I hardly wear because I hardly go outside. But yeah, I wore in my Manali video, and after that I think I never wore it, right? So because I work from home, so what you wear in home, I don't wear shoes or heels at home. I wear normal stuff, right? um, yeah, that's why I love to buy more of t-shirts and leggings, more, because that's what I wear more. Though I'm learning to dress up every day as well. Let's see how it goes. Right now I wear like t-shirt or leggings only. If I have to shoot a special video, then I wear a nice dress as well, right? So yesterday I wore a dress because it was already ironed, and I thought to wear it because I hardly wear. Because also I was listening to another video, like, where it says like we don't wear 80% of the clothes. So so of course when I'm decluttering, I see that like, you know, some dresses I just wore for 3 or 4 times, and after that I never wore them. So I think if you know, I think it's good to wear dresses more and more which you truly love. But what happened in my case, because I work from home, so many times I wear t-shirt and leggings only. I don't wear dresses or suits which I used to wear when I used to go to office, right? Because I feel comfortable in t-shirt and leggings, and that's why my style has also been changed. So I love to buy good t-shirt and comfortable t-shirt and leggings instead of buying suits, because I don't wear much suits as well. I only wear, like, I wore on my birthday, and then I'll wear on Diwali maybe, right? Because when I used to go to office, then I used to wear daily. And but yeah, I think like, when you work from home daily, like, I can't wear a suit at home, right? Though it's my wish, I can wear too, but I think it's not so comfortable as t-shirt and leggings are. And I'm not a jeans person. So yesterday I was listening to one TED talk, and the girl said maybe we can wear dresses if the person don't like jeans. But normally I don't dress too much at home. Like, if I'm just coaching, I can coach in t-shirt as well, right? So let's see. I'm also experimenting how you know, it makes any difference or not. Of course I love to dress up, and I know, like, when I look good I feel good, but yeah, not every day I wear a dress or a suit. But yeah, let's see if I start wearing everyday suit or dress, if I'll post a pic on Instagram maybe after wearing it, right? So that could be the motivation, because otherwise I just wear t-shirt and leggings, right? And yeah, that's also in that book. You know, there was one advice. They said, the writer said, you can have one meal a day. There is no need to have too much food. Well, I never tried one meal a day, so if I'll try, I'll let you know, guys. And if it made any difference also, I'll go ahead and let you know, guys, as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. And hope you all are doing great as well. And if you want to book a coaching session or something, DM me, all right? And also let me know what kind of coaching you're looking for: relationship coaching, or body confidence coaching, or sales coaching, all right? And don't send me hi hello message. Of course I'm not here to be your friend, I'm a coach right? And yeah, And if you have any question, you can ask me when I come live. All right, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.